Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing off my third and final holiday side dish, and this one is for a corn and Asiago bread pudding. The ingredients we're going to need are 8 cups of a day-old French bread cut into about 1-inch cubes, 4 cups of corn, 1.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 cups or roughly 6 ounces of Asiago cheese. And that is going to be it. So the first thing we need to do is make our custard for our bread pudding. And I'm going to start by adding all of my bread cubes into my mixing bowl. And then in this bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in, actually I'm going to start with my eggs. And let's get those cracked in first. Now that I've got my eggs in, I'm just going to go ahead and break my yolks and give these a light whisk. And now I'm going to add in my milk first. And my heavy cream. And while I'm doing this, I would like to remind you guys of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that JP Death and I have going on our channels. It is a community-driven playlist made up of you, our friends and YouTube family. If you would like to be a part of it, it's really easy. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video, and once you've done that, post it to your channel. And then let either JPIC or I know down in the comment section of our latest cooking videos. Or if you're a part of our Discord servers, you can let us know over there as well. The only thing we do ask, guys, is that you mention the Gamers and Geeks playlist somewhere in your video, as well as leaving a link down in the description to it. That way we can continue to support all the fine people that have already contributed to the list. And the only thing I did here, guys, was add in my salt and pepper. I'm just going to give that a quick little whisk through. And then I'm done with the whisk. And I can bring my breadcrumbs back in, and now I'm going to pour our custard mixture over our bread, and then I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes so the bread can start soaking that up. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get my cheese shredded and get my baking dish. I'll be using a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. I will be getting it well buttered. I do want to come in here and give our breadcrumbs a nice little stir so they all get down into the custard. And I'll probably come through and maybe give this a stir once every 10-15 minutes until our 30 minutes is up. Alright guys, I will see you once this has soaked up some of our custard mixture. Alright guys, it has been 30 minutes, and now all we need to do is add our 6 ounces or 1.5 cups of Asiago cheese into our bread and custard mixture. And I'm going to add our corn in as well. And now all we need to do is stir all of this together until it is well combined. Alright guys, that is combined, and now all I'm going to do is bring in my well buttered 9 by 13 inch pan, and I'm going to pour this straight into it. Whoa, there we go. Make sure we get all of our custard mixture out of here, as well as all the cheese. And now the only thing we have left to do is just spread this out. Alright guys, there we go. This is going to go into a 375 degree oven for about 45 minutes, or until it is completely set and the top is a lovely golden brown. So I will see you when this is out of the oven. Our corn Asiago bread pudding is out of the oven, and it smells so good. My house smells absolutely divine. There is a close-up picture of it for you. And let's get in here and give this thing a taste. Now the only thing I did is shaved a little bit more Asiago cheese across the top after it came out of the oven. And let's get in here, give it a taste, see what we think about it. I really like that kind of sharp, nutty flavor that the Asiago cheese adds to this. Really complements this dish very well. Alright guys, wow. And with this one, that will be the end of my little mini 3-part holiday side dish video series. I hope you guys have enjoyed them. If you have, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this one or any of the other two out, let me know how they turned out for you. Remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist as well as my Cooking with Velcro playlist. I will leave links down in the description to them. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Velcro. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.